Are you morning people? Are you early birds, night owls?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Hello. So how are you function yourself? Do you work better in the morning or in the evenings, nights? How do you work better? How does your body work better?
In my case, I think in the morning. In the evening, in the afternoon, I'm quite sleepy, so I don't work good enough.
Right. I totally understand, Camilo. What about the rest of you? Do you work better in the morning or out in the evenings?
In the evenings. I'm definitely not a morning person.
All right. That was Carol, wasn't it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. What about the rest of you guys? Early birds or night owls? Come on, guys. That's an easy question. We get some answers through the chat box. Oh, Angry Birds. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good. It's good to know how you function better, how you work better, how more focused you are, considering that you need to use those times to get the more of your concentration, right? If you work better in the morning, try to get up very early to maybe study or prepare whatever thing you need to do, and that you need a lot of concentration for, right? So it's important to know the time of the day in which you are more focused, right? That's a key to success, I would say. So this is the ALT 115 section 2 on April the 20th already. Already the April the 20th, right? Can't believe it. And we have some elements here. Do you know the names of these images? Can you name them?
It's a sun. There's a ball, like a football.
Okay.
And there's a planet Earth.
Mm-hmm.
There's a crown. There's some boots. There's some rice and like
Yes.
a hen, like a rooster.
Okay. Rooster up here. Okay. And at the bottom you said crown, right? That's what I remember.
Yes.
Okay,
And
crown
a sheep.
and sheep. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Now let's go to sounds, which is basically the aim of this course, right? Sounds, phonemes, vowel sounds, consonant sounds. Um, at the top here, in the top section, above, right, over here, we have diphthongs, right? And at the bottom, right here, we have monophthongs. So can you take a minute and write down in your notebook which vowel sounds are present in rooster, earth, sun, ball, sheep, rise, boots, and crown? Could you do that? Could you take a minute and see if you can make it?
Okay.
Alrighty. So in the next minute, everybody in the room will try to find out which vowel sounds are present in these words, okay? Ready? Let's see what you got, right? Good morning, everyone who just arrived. Camila, Milton, Dominique, hello, Fernanda, Antonia, you there? Constanza. So what we're doing is we're going to unmute Constanza Madrid in the room. Okay. What we're doing is identifying the vowel sounds present in each one of the words that you can see here. Okay, and even if you make a mistake, that's totally fine, because if you make a mistake, you are learning. Basically, we are all learning. That's the thing, and it's not a catchphrase or slogan, right? That's just the way it is. So, sorry. Fernanda Macaya, what do you think about this one? Which vowel sounds are present here? We've got the monophthongs at the bottom, the short and long vowel sounds, and we've got the diphthongs above, right? Over the pictures, the images.
Ay, no sé cómo decirla.
I put the yes, I put numbers just in case if you have issues or problems.
It's a vowel sound number 3.
Okay, all right. Number 3, that would be something like this. Okay, and the second one, what do you think? Because there are 2 vowel sounds, right? Around there.
And 6.
Number 6 would be a schwa. Okay, perfect. Let's see. We will see later, right? We will see later. Vicente, thank you very much. Vicente Gatica, what do you think about this one over here? This one
is the number de abajo, sí.
Right, monophthong.
Number 7.
Number 7. Okay. Some people call this crazy schwa. It's a really weird name, crazy schwa. Anyway, as in girl first. Thank you so much, Vicente. Do you have any volunteer for this one? For example,
Me.
Me, who's me? Who's
Christian
me?
Gangas.
Christian Gangas, go for it, please. Thank you.
It's vowel sound number 10.
Number 10, monophthong. Okay, the trap. Sorry, the wedge.
Yes.
Perfect, the wedge. Thank you so much, Christian. Anyone interested in this one? Claudia Morales? Claudia Morales Baeza, are you there?
Is the 8?
8 from the monophthongs, right? 8. The O in 4. That one, yes? Is that
Yes,
right? Okay. Okay, good. Who's interested in this one? Could be Katia Ordones. Katia, are you there?
Yes.
All right. So
The long E.
the long, okay, the long and tense E. Excellent. Thank you so much, Katia.
Okay.
Righty. Who's interested in the next one? Maybe Antonia? Antonia, would you like to work with this one?
Number 2.
Number 2, the short and lax E, the monophthong, or the diphthong? Number 2.
Monophthong.
Monophthong. Okay, number 2 from the monophthong. So basically this one. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, alrighty. Thank you so much, Antonio. How about the next one? Carla Enriquez, are you interested? Are you interested in this one? Would you like to identify the vowel sound, Carla, present in this?
Number 4.
Number four, monophone, right? This one at the bottom
Yes.
here. Okay, thank you very much. And the last one, anyone interested? Anyone would like to buy this item?
Me?
Okay, Dominique, go for it, please.
Yes. Diphthong 8.
Diphthong 8. That is O. All right. Thank you so much for those of you who participated. Now, are we all happy with these vowel sounds? Can we go and check?
Yes.
Alrighty. So what about the first one over here, the top left corner here, or right in the center, I would say. The rooster, right? Rooster. What do you think? Is that right? Is it wrong? Are all correct? Do we need to change anything?
I think it's wrong.
Completely wrong or just partially correct?
Just partly.
Okay.
I changed the first vowel sound.
Okay, that one.
Yes. For the number 4.
For number 4, monophone. Number 4. Okay, that would be a long U. Rooster. Okay. Perfect. Completely agree with you. Rooster. If you all agree, if not, please, any comment is welcome, all right? Any comment is good. How do you feel about the next one? Earth. Is this the symbol representing that specific sound?
Yeah, I
Yes.
think so.
Okay, perfect. What about the next one, sun? Are we representing with the symbol the sound up? Up?
Yeah, it's also correct.
It's also correct. All right, great. What about the next one? Is that correct? Is it good?
Not very sure. I think maybe it could be 12. Monophthong 12.
Okay, could be monophthong 12.
But I'm not sure.
All right. Yeah, this is one of the words in which, depending on the dialect, you may have a long O as bo, right? And sometimes it might be a short one. It depends on. Sorry, my alarm is okay. It depends on the. Usually in a more RP dialect or BBC English, you get a long O. Sometimes in general American English, you would get a short O, right? Short O, as in football. So it depends also on the context. If the word is alone, like a ball, or it's part of a compound noun, football, right? Football. So I would say that when it's part of a compound, like volleyball or basketball, right? Sometimes the O is not so long and it changes to a short O. So we would have to accept both, right? In this context.
I think so. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, we're not penalizing. I'm not going to penalize or mark incorrect a symbol representing a variety other than RP or British English.
Right.
Right. Yes, exactly. Are we all happy with the next one? Sheep. E.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So that's the symbol representing that specific sound. What about the next one? Over here, right below sun. Rise. What do you all think?
I'd say that it's incorrect. I would say that instead of short I would be better diphthong number 7.
Okay. All right. Something like this. I. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. And what about the next one? Boots. Boots or boots?
It's correct.
That's
Correct. Perfect. And the last one? Are we all happy with that one?
Yes.
Yes. All right. All righty. How do you feel about this kind of activities? Do you feel safe? Do you feel that it's good that you can do this activity, identifying vowel sounds, monophthongs or diphthongs when you're shown an image? Is that all right for you? No?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And because I'm thinking, what if we use this kind of activity and it's being evaluated like in a quiz? What if in a quiz you get an image and you need to select in a multiple choice item whether the symbol representing the sound is A, B, C, D. That's basically the comment that I want to hear from you. Would you feel comfortable with this in an evaluation? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
I think it's more friendly.
Okay.
I don't know, than a word.
Right. Right. Okay. Thank you for the feedback. We might use this system. I mean, I get fun with pictures, and I guess that visually they are more attractive than just looking at the word. I don't know. Right. For example, we can do this one. Let's suppose that this is a quiz, all right? Let's suppose that you are being assessed. Of course, this is formative, and you know your grade, okay? I'm not going to give you a grade. We've got 9 elements, right? 3, 3, 9. On your own, identify the vowel sounds present in these items, just like what we did before, okay? And if you can do it, then we're going to review the answers, and you will see what grade you got. But only you. It's going to be your secret. All right? So same thing. Please identify the vowel sounds in each one of them. Maybe you don't know the name. If you don't know the name of the items, we could say that this one is a
Spoon.
spoon, perfect, spoon. And this is a
Fork.
fork, exactly. It's a fork. And this one is a
Hat.
Cap.
Hat.
it's a cap or a hat, right? It's like a hat, but more specifically a cap, like a baseball cap, maybe. How do you call this one? It's a game.
Dart.
Darts.
Dots, exactly, dots, and this one, also sports.
Bowling.
Bowling, excellent. And this one,
Purse.
it's a purse, exactly, purse. And this one,
Bicycle.
Bike.
you can call, yes, bike. I call it bike. Bicycle, if you want the long name, right? Bicycle, or just bike. And this one is representing a
Bull.
Bull.
Bull, right, bull. And the last one, of course,
Horse.
horse. That's right. Horse. Okay, you're all set to go. You're all set up. Okay, let's take a look at the results. Do you need more time? Are we done? Can I get some feedback? Okay. All right, we've got only 3 participants who finished the task. I wonder if there are many others who have not given a thumbs up to the message. So I'm not sure if you need more time to finish. Let's take a look at the words once more. So you said spoon, fork, cap, right? Dots, bowling, purse. That's what you said, right? Bike, bicycle, bull, and horse. Okay, so at least 6 participants. Camila Middleton, Camilo, Carol, Christian, Dominic, and Vicente have finished. So that would be 6 out of 20. So I'm in the dark with the other 14 participants. Okay, let's take a look at the answers. Okay, so I gave a number to the images. Okay, so Constanza Gutierrez, could you take number 1, please? Constanza Gutierrez, is your microphone working? Cristina Morales, are you there? Camila Middleton. First one.
I don't know. The fourth one of the monophone.
Okay, one of the monophthongs. Which one do you?
The 4.
Number 4. Long and tense. Ooh, okay, spoon. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you so much. If you're not sure, that's totally fine because that's the class for. It's to practice. Okay. Natasha Torres, good morning. Do you have an answer for number 2? Which vowel sound is present in number 2? The word is fork. Fork. What do you think, Natasha? Which vowel sound? Which symbol?
Es que, no soy Natacha, es el tema.
Claudia Morales, go ahead, please.
Egg, monotone.
8 monophthong, long O. Oh, sorry. That one, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Claudia. Number 3, anyone interested? Just like Claudia did, voluntarily. Anyone interested? Okay, who's me?
Christian Gangas.
Christian Gangas, go for it, please.
Of the diphthongs, number 6.
Diphthongs, number 6. This one.
No, sorry.
Okay, no, that's right.
Of monophthongs, number 8. Number 9.
Monophthong, number 9. Okay, the trap.
Yes.
Looks quite similar, but like the other way around, right?
Yes.
Okay. Unfortunately, I have to. Okay, I'm trying hard here to draw.
Nice.
It takes a while to. Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, Christian. Number 4. Anyone interested?
I put the wedge.
You put the
The wedge.
wedge, and that was Tomas.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for participating. Let's take a look at number 5. Who's interested in number 5? Bowling.
Me,
Who's me?
Carol Gomez.
Carol Gomez. Carol, go ahead, please.
I put the number 4 of diphthongs.
Number 4, diphthongs. That one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Anyone interested in number 6? Number 6. I need to sell all these items. So yeah, I'm selling them very cheap. Anyone interested in buying? Matias Mora, would you like to buy the next one? Matias Mora. Matias Mora, are you there? Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Teacher,
Yes, ma'am.
is that a purse or a bag?
I don't know. Which one would you like?
I don't know. A purse?
Okay, a purse. So which vowel sound do you think it's present there?
7.
7. You got it. Okay. Now, what if if it were a bag? Which one vowel sound do you think should be present there if it were a bag?
Number 9 of the
Number 9.
yeah monophthongs.
Okay. Okay, just in case, right? But yeah, we mentioned purse, but anyway, just for the sake of it. All right, nobody.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Good. Next one. Anyone interested? For example, Camila Guzman, are you interested in next one? Number 7.
Okay.
I did. What do you think?
7 is bike.
Yes. Bike.
Se me olvidó cómo se llamaban los de arriba, diptongos se llaman.
Diphthongos. Diphthongs. Yes, diphthongos.
Ah.
Okay, so from the diphthongs, which one?
7.
7. Perfect. Very well done. I. Number 8. Anyone interested? Camilo Luisa, would you like to? Number 8.
Okay.
All right.
It's number 3.
8 is number 3.
Of the vowel sound, like the monophthongs.
Okay. Is that the short U? The long U?
Yeah, the short.
The short one, right. The short and legs. Okay. Cool. I was asking you because I cannot see the bottom of the slide, sorry. So that's why I was kind of confirming with you. Thank you, Camilo. And the last one. I need to sell everything. This last item I have. Who's interested in buying? Any buyers for the last item? Loiselis, would you like to buy this one? Number 9, Loiselis. Are you interested?
Yes.
Okay.
8, the monophthongs.
8 monophthong. Okay, that would be long O. Perfect. Thanks so much. So this was the formatted quiz. I would say that number 1, spoon. It's a long U, so it's correct. Number 2 is a fork, which is a long O, very clear, right? Number 3, cap, excellent. A trap, right? Cap. Number 4, I would say dots in general should have the monophone here, 11 dots. It's like a long okay. So that's the vowel sound in general that you find in that specific game, dots. In number 5, bowling, 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 right? In general, you find this number 5 different right there, this one, bowling, right? You can pronounce it with a schwa, sometimes with a plain o, bowling, as in United States, bowling.
Teacher,
Yes, ma'am.
but I think we have another vowel sound in the at the end of the word, which is
Okay.
in bowling.
Right.
So we have to add well, after the consonant, obviously, but I think we have to add a short I, like vowel number 2.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. In the word bowling, there are two sound units. The first one is the diphthong, and the second one is the short lax E. Totally agree with what you're saying, Dominic. Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Right. So in the case that you've, let's suppose that you have a quiz with images, with pictures, like what we're doing now, okay? And you have option A, B, C, and D. And you have only diphthongs as the option. Option, I don't know, option 1, ear. Option 2, A. Option 3, or C, right? O. And option D, so the only correct option would be the diphthong, right? But if you have an exercise in which you need to complete all the vowel sounds missing in the word, you should have to include O and, of course, the short and lax E. So definitely, yes, completely agree. Now, for the sake of this exercise, the diphthong O is the one that we are looking for. Indication number 6, purse. Excellent. Purse. And if it's a bag, this is the correct one, right? Bag. Purse, bag. I guess purse focuses more on what we understand by the concept, what I understand from the concept of cartera. Cartera is like a purse. And a bag, it could be also like a handbag, right? Specifically, handbag. 7, bike. I, excellent. 8, bull, correct. And number 9, horse, excellent. So these are the results of this quiz about 9 specific vowel sounds. And this is, let's see if I can share. Okay, I have the website. I'm going to stop sharing the presentation. And I'm going to start sharing this grades, okay? This is a cool website that you may use, or you may be familiar with, escaladenotas.cl. And there were 9 points, 9 items. So you can see your grade here, your grade or mark. If you got 9 correct, a 7. 8 correct, 5.9. 7 items correct, 4.8. If you got 6, then this is a failing grade so far for this formative quiz, all right? Formative quiz about vowel sounds. Okay, the grade is for you. That's your secret. That's for you to know. Are we fine with this information? Can I change this website now? Yes, no? Do you have the information? Yes? Okay, excellent. In the LMS, there's listening quiz. Actually, two listening quizzes. Have you seen them? Yes, no? You have no
I
idea what
haven't
you
seen them.
haven't? Okay. Let me see if I can share this website with you now. If you are looking at my screen, you might be in the, we're in the course, right? ELT 115, section 1 and 2. And if you go to Unidad 1, at the bottom, you will see formative listening quizzes 1 and formative listening quiz 2. They are about vowel sounds, monophthongs and diphthongs. So this a really cool thing that I want you to try before actually going to the assessment week. So if you click there, you can click there. Sorry, I think I'm not taking this as a student. Okay, start.
Scout.
Can you hear the word? Can you hear
Yes.
the? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Thanks so much. Cool. So
Scout.
and then you select the option. Okay, let's suppose that it's the first one. You click there. You see that there's an image here that wasn't before. If you pay attention here, you can skip number 1, you can go to number 5, or you can skip to number 15. Okay, the next one, number 2. You see, if you compare number 1, it says pregunta 1 correcta, puntúa como 1.00. And then pregunta 2, sin finalizar, because we have not answered this one. So
Tick. Tick.
let's suppose that I think it's number 1, sorry, letter A, and then I click on comprobar. And then I don't have the same thing that I have in number 1, right? It says pregunta 2, incorrecta, puntúa como 1.00, etc., etc., right? So number 1 was correct, number 2 was incorrect. So let's see if I can try again. Option B, comprobar, and still incorrecta. It's still an incorrect answer. So the idea is that you get more tries. Okay, you can keep going because this is formative. Let's suppose that you think that, oh no, but it's letter C, and you click on comprobar, and then it says pregunta 2 correcta, puntúa como 1.00. And then you see over here that the answer number 2 was correct. And then you keep going, same thing with the rest of the questions. All right. Any questions? Any doubts about this? I think you can flag the the question. For example, let's suppose that you want to flag number 2 because number 2 you are not sure. So you flag it, and then after you finish with the rest until maybe 16, then you can come back to number 2, and you remember because you flagged the question. You see this red thing on the top corner, top right corner. That's for you to remember which specific question you are not sure and you want to take a look again. So if you have time, right, you can go back to that specific question. To those specific options. Is this clear? Do you have any comments or questions?
Yes. Do we have to do both quizzes?
Not really. I mean, it would be easier for me to say, yes, you have to take them, right? But they are formative, so yeah, they are just for you to practice.
Okay.
Yeah, they are optional. You can take quiz 1, you can take quiz 2, you can take both quizzes or none.
All right.
Perfect. So the quizzes are there for you. I gave them a deadline Sunday, this Sunday, 25th, this Sunday, they are expiring. Okay, so if you want to take them, you can take them today, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday up to midnight. If you were not able to, but you would like to take them, just send me a brief email and I can extend the period. All right. Exactly. That's the thing. Okay. If you don't have any questions, any comments, I think it would be a time for us to go on a break. Okay. After the break, we're going to be working with triphthongs. So far, we have covered monophthongs, right? These 12 monophthongs represented by these phonemic symbols. And we have talked about diphthongs, right? If you remember diphthongs that look like this, like gliding from one vowel sound to the other one. 3 of them ending in E, right? These centering diphthongs, sorry, these closing diphthongs ending in E. These 3 centering diphthongs ending in a schwa, and 2 diphthongs ending in a short and lax U. Also closing diphthongs, right? More or less something like A, I, Oi, right? And E, U, E, and O, Ow. Those were basically the diphthongs we were discussing, right? Centering, closing, closing. In the second half, we're going to refer to the triphthongs. And I remember a question that Camila Middleton asked me at some point. I don't remember the word, Camila Middleton, but I do remember that I mentioned that it was a triphthong, like a diphthong plus a schwa. Now we're going to be discussing that, all right? Good. It's we're officially on break. It's 9:25. 9:25. Shall we meet at 9:35?
Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay.
So enjoy the break.